Does it actually matter what day of the month you transfer money into your Ally High Yield Savings account? It's a common question, and one I thought about myself when first optimizing my savings. The quick answer is, no, the specific day of the month does not meaningfully affect your interest earnings with Ally. Here's why, straight to the point, based on my experience and how Ally calculates interest. Daily compounding. The key concept is that Ally compounds interest on a daily basis. This means they look at your balance every single day to figure out how much interest you've earned for that 24-hour period. The interest calculation is based on your balance at the end of that day. Since your money earns interest the moment it lands in your account, there is no magic day like the 1st or the 30th that will suddenly increase your yield. Your funds are earning for all 365 days of the year. Monthly payout. Now, the confusion often comes from the fact that Ally pays out the total accrued interest monthly, usually around the 10th of the following month, or whenever your statement cycle ends. This payout is just the lump sum of all the small daily interest amounts you earned over the last month. The date of this payout has zero impact on the date you deposit the money. The takeaway. If you have a sum of money ready to deposit, the best time to put it into your Ally High Yield Savings account is immediately. Waiting until a specific date for a perceived better time is just losing you a few days' worth of interest. Because the interest compounds daily, you want your highest balance in the account for the maximum number of days. If you get paid monthly, the best time to deposit is the day you get paid. If you get paid bi-weekly, the best time is the day you get paid. It's that simple. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.